likes Fiero family.
No, they don't.
Say hi to the camera, Wyatt. So, well, it looks pretty good to me. And please like and subscribe so I don't burn the camera. Hello everyone, today we're going to be fixing up our go-kart. We might not. It depends. But I don't know if we're actually gonna do something with it. This is broken, and we need to wash it because it's all muddy from the last go-kart video. Yeah, it's all muddy, and it's stable. Not really. And repairing, so it doesn't break.
And every time we ride on it, the chain breaks.
Falls off, so we're gonna tighten that maybe. Yeah, and we're gonna fix it so that we don't crash.
Yep.
Hopefully not die.
Exactly.
So we're gonna fix it up, but we're gonna have it so you can still ride it. It's not gonna be too nice.
We might add a gigantic muffler so we can smoke it out.
We have a performance muffler right here for it.
Yeah.
And we
do it.
And we might add some stickers onto it.
And we have an air filter intake kit for it right there.
One of us might ride it on the end.
When did we buy this? Like 3-4 years ago?
Yeah, pretty much. And we barely used it. And I burnt my hand on it the first day. But
And we paid
we're
$300 for this, I think. And we had to hook the chain up because it's got a Harbor Freight engine in it.
And it broke when I was driving it.
So what we want to do is we want to fix the body because it's got a crack.
And repairing.
The front hubs are kind of worn out. The front wheel bearings are kind of worn out.
In the man, we're gonna do it all in the man cave.
Well, then we got to kick her out of here. Are you an honorary man?
We're maybe gonna repaint it, and then we're gonna add a cool muffler and smoke it up.
Well, we've got to make it so the chain doesn't fall off because the engine's not mounted in here very strong.
What about painting it?
We might be able to paint it. We have this stuff from Go Power Sports, the muffler and the air filter and the jet kit. We're going to get rid of this muffler and it's going to be the pipe. And we're going to get rid of this cover and it's going to be like an actual air filter.
And we're going to burn the heck out of this.
It's not going to smoke. And then we got to mount the engine stronger so the chain doesn't fall off. And then we can put that stuff on it. I think we need a clutch. This one appears to be a little bit worn out.
I will.
All right, so far, clutch is worn out. Bearings in the rear axle are kind of worn out. The front hubs are pretty well worn out.
This broke, and this broke.
Front end is broke. You're gonna wiggle it off of the jacks, so don't do that. It's a lot to fix.
But we still can have fun. It's not like it's the end of the world.
We're gonna take the front tires off, and then we're gonna try to take the knuckles apart, and I'm gonna see if I can weld it and re-drill it.
How are we gonna fix it though?
One bolt at a time.
My dad got a new toolbox.
What you gotta do is take this wrench like this, and then pull up on it like that. Nope, not that one. That hurt. There you go. You're spinning the nut right now. So keep doing that.
Can I do this?
My hands are a wrench.
This is gonna be.
Whoa.
Hold that. Now hold it still and let it turn.
Videos.
Oh, maybe the bolt is loose.
Just loose the bulbous.
Well, the holes don't look too worn out.
Maybe it's just the bolt. We don't know. I guess it's just the bolt.
I'm almost wondering if things were just a little bit loose, or if this is a little bit bent.
Nobody knows what I do with go-karts.
I think what we're gonna try to do is a little hammer. We'll try to pound this up a little bit just to make this fit just a touch tighter.
And then maybe that might help.
And then we can put some grease in there, put the bolt back in there. We'll do the same thing over on that side.
Can I bang
And
the
see if
hammer?
that helped. And then we will grease our front bearings and put the front wheels back on. And then we can see if we can get our motor to sit straight where the
Can
chain
I-
doesn't fall off of it.
Sheesh, that was loud. Sheesh, that was loud. Sheesh, that was loud. Whoa. Ha, that looks like blood. It's working.
Hold on to the top again. There. It
Works.
doesn't wiggle anymore. This one still wiggles. Put the wheel back on.
And then put some grease on it. Whoa. Can I put the wheel back on?
Jackson, would you like to tighten this bolt with that? Turn the wrench towards me and it tightens it. Get the wheel to where it's tight and it doesn't wiggle. But it turns. You're gonna get greasy, it's fine. Okay, stop.
Is it still loose?
It's loose enough. See how this doesn't really wiggle anymore? Now we gotta take this side apart. Hold it tight. Oh, you got it. Okay, Grace, I want you to turn the bolt this way. Pull it that way.
Dad, why do you have to put a mask? Like,
Keep going around.
plan videos when you're in the fun, but today
I think that's tightened up. Alright, it's all one piece now. That's the front end. Now we just got to figure out this engine. You look at the engine, it almost looks like it's sitting at an angle. Yeah, you can move the engine to align. You need to align this sprocket with this sprocket. And that's how the belt doesn't fall off of it. You can move the engine forward or backwards.
we're gonna raise
What I think we should do, I think we should raise the engine up.
the engine up.
We'll unbolt it, and we'll add some washers between the engine and the engine
And
plate.
this is why we need to clean it. It's all dirty. Moving that bolt right there. Also, we're gonna move the engine, I think, a little to the side, and we're gonna move it up.
Clean enough. Use some 1/4-inch washers. We spaced the engine up. Now the chain is nice and tight, so it shouldn't fall off anymore. We greased the rear bearings. The front end is adjusted and greased up. Now we just got to put our performance parts on it, and then we can throw the body back on it, and then I think people can take it for a rip. I guess what we'll do is put the air filter kit on it, and then maybe put the body back on it, and then we can put the muffler pipe on it, because I don't know if we'll be able to get the body on with that. Let's get the air filter on it.
Okay, so we're opening the package right now.
This stuff is from Go Power Sports.
Are we sponsoring them?
No, we are not sponsored by them. We bought this parts.
So go and go to rearengineshop.com and buy some of our
We
awesome.
don't have a .com. We don't have shirts. We don't have anything. You watch too much YouTube, children.
Well, like and subscribe.
Well, nothing. There you go. Like and subscribe. That works.
Smash that like button 1,000 times and the
Well, they can
subscribe
only-
button. Just click the subscribe button. You can always unsubscribe later.
No, we don't unsubscribe. You subscribe, you're subscribed.
But you can always unsubscribe.
No, they don't unsubscribe.
And you don't have to subscribe if you don't want to.
Got an air filter and the adapter for the air filter.
Randomize a random number between 1 and
Why are we
200.
randomizing things?
Okay, I have my number. What is it? 199. Okay, that's our like goal for this video. How about no? How about it's 1 in 10,000? No. I'm gonna take at least give us 2,000 likes on this. Or
We're
more.
not gonna get 2,000 likes. We have a little over 1,000 subscribers.
That's greasy. That's a little bit greasy. Editor, please put that in.
By the way, our editor is our dad.
There's gonna be an exhaust pipe that's just gonna flow out of the back and just go. I'm gonna put the red thing on it. This is already looking better.
Is it?
This already is looking better.
Oh,
By the second, it's looking better. Holy crap, does that sound good?
sounds like progress.
Sounds like a lot of progress being made.
It's hidden in the frame, the body won't go on with it there. So if I can cut it right there, and then we can just turn it and weld it how we want it. We can weld it like that.
And then it will be up.
Like that, yeah.
Is that how you wanted it?
Yep.
Think it's gonna sound bad?
Nope.
Nope. I think it's
Now time for the test.
Oh, heck yeah, that sounds better.
I gotta clean up this.
That sounds like progress.
Now it's cleaning up time.
So we're gonna clean up and put the body on, and we're gonna pause so you don't have to watch us clean stuff
We're gonna
up.
fast forward.
Guys, I'm gonna go.
It's time to get the body on.
Then I put away.
So we're gonna put the bolts on. Right there, the bolts, right up here. We have a stop one to go, and these are the brakes on it. And it's dark because the body's on. I think we're done.
Body's back on, muffler's on, intake's on, front end's greased, everything's greased up. If only I had drivers. Your helmet's crooked. It may be too fast now.
It's faster than it was.
Look at how pretty the exhaust pipes look. Alright, that does it for our video. Is it fun now? Is it faster? No words, Jackson? No parting words?
It's faster.
Did you like it?
Yep. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.
And leave a comment. And leave a like. And we'll see you next time for more
And
adventures.
do a thumbs up.
Bye-bye.
And please like and subscribe so I don't burn the camera.